So I just bought this 8 Plus and I just realized that it shoots 4K 60. I mean, I think this is like 1080p, but I'm like, I'll use this instead of the GoPro for now. But I got my Sparco tow strap, I guess is what it's called, in the mail today, and I'm at Home Depot getting the bolts for it, and I'm gonna go home and install this thing and make a little video for you guys. But as you guys know, I run a single exit, and again, shout out Dustin Williams for this idea because I did not come up with this, but you can see that little gap right there. Yeah, kind of ugly. So I'm gonna fill it up with this little tow strap and then redo the exhaust at some point, but for right now, this will do it. So let's get these bolts and then let's go home and install this thing. And on a side note for you photographers, camera gear does not matter. When your phone shoots 4K 60, like, just put out content, stuff doesn't matter. There's so many options here. I'm gonna need some help here. I need an M 1.75 times 50 millimeter, whatever that means. I don't know anything about bolts, but I need that, a locking nut, and then washers. So this could be a minute before I find this stuff. There's like no one to be found. Okay. I think I found it. Metric 12, 80, 90, 100. There we go. I couldn't find a locking nut, so I got locking washers just in case, and I got some regular ones just in case too, so we'll see how this goes. Should be a pretty easy install, and I'm stoked to see how this looks. Damn, there was a World Rally Blue BRZ right next to me, but he or she left, but I think that's an ISF, unless it's just an F Sport. Let's go find out. ISF, I see you, boy. Seems clean. Slept on cars. Ugh, she looks so good. I love this car. Damn, my eyes look blue as hell in the sunlight. But I was checking Time Hop today, and I bought my BRZ 1 year ago today. But the video that drops before this is gonna be a review of my car ownership experience for the 1 year that I've had it. But just crazy, time is flying, man. Doesn't feel like I've had this car for a year. Also some shameless self-promo. If you guys are looking for jewel skins, I got you. We got the Tide Pods for all the meme fans. We got the Valentine's Day edition, Heartbreak, for all the boys that have gotten their heart broken by a girl. All been there, done that. And we got the Yeezy skin, and then of course the one on my jewel, the Supreme Collage. I'll link the description of the store in the bio and my Instagram, but if you guys are looking for some sick skins for your jewel, go cop some. Let's dodge this rush hour traffic. Third gear, second gear. Yes, I know it's not the fastest car out there, but that was a lot of fun. That's the key. I didn't break the law too much. Oh, I didn't break the law at all. I forgot we're in Mexico, so soon, real soon. That's so clean. Did I just give my next car away? Oops. Nah, but really, I've been debating a Hellcat and an R35 for a minute, but let's be honest here, I'm an import guy at heart. And those R35s, man, they just make me feel some type of way. Just got home after sitting in rush hour traffic for the past 20 minutes, but here's the package. Shout out Amazon Prime. It took like a day and a half to get here. Well, that doesn't make any sense. It took like 2 days to get here. But let's open this thing up, get this thing on the car. Boom, here it is. So the main thing is I'm hoping that the WRX has the same bolt under the diffuser as the BRZ does. I'm assuming it does. I'm assuming it's the same bolt size. I think it just fits through here and then threads in, but basically there's a hole. I think that might be it right there. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look in here and find the hole, and then should just be a pretty straightforward installation. Okay, so there's a bolt hole. I don't know if y'all can see it right there. So it's not this. I mean, I guess you could pull this out. I don't know. I'm not going to though, because I don't know what this looks like. It's pretty tight on there. So I'm gonna bolt it up to this hole here. So that was a bitch and a half to try and get to. So I'm gonna go over to my dad's house, and he has more wrenches and more sockets and whatnot over there, and my jack, because this is just gonna be a bitch if I don't jack it up. So over to my dad's house we go. Head gang. So basically the hole directly above the diffuser is a 14 millimeter bolt, and that comes right out, and I'm thinking that I can just put that onto the toe strap with a washer, and that'll bolt right in and it'll be straight, versus the other one where it was kind of up and crooked. So, this might work out. Go figure. That's about the easiest install ever. You don't need anything. You just need like a washer. You just use a stock bolt that comes with the car. And that's it. Didn't even need to make a trip to Home Depot. Literally just bolts up with the stock hardware. That's crazy. Okay. I'll throw the taillights on just so you guys can get a little sneak peek of what it looks like at night. And I didn't show you all the taillights before, so let's get it. And that's it. Ugly holes covered up. It's perfectly centered. I mean, you can obviously tighten it down whatever way you want, but it kind of hangs loose anyways. So yeah, there's a bolt that bolts into the subframe or whatever that is. I'm not gonna get too technical. Took me about a whopping 5 minutes to do it. Just needed to jack up the right side of the car. Because I'm lowered, I don't know stock height if it would be fine, but that's it. $14 on Amazon for the toe strap, and that looks a lot better with a single exit than it did without it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments if you have any more suggestions for videos, what I could be doing more or less of, video suggestions, really anything. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't. Got a lot of videos coming soon on this car. Gonna do some reviews. Got a little thing with the dealership here going, so I'm gonna do some reviews on some modded sick cars. Got a 500 horsepower ST, GTR. Anyways, I'll let that speak for itself when it comes out. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll link that below. If you guys want jewel skins, the link's in the description. That's about it. Till next time, catch y'all later. Peace. I didn't do that right.